Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you what you can do if the power button on your iPhone is not working. So first thing first, try to remove your case and click power button. Then if it's not working, go to settings, then go to general, then software update, and make sure that your iPhone is up to date. If it's not, update now. Then you can try to shut down your iPhone, and if it's still not working, just plug in charger and wait until your iPhone will turn on by itself. So now it's all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.